Hello guys, it's your Quant, and here we are today for like a new videos where we're going to discuss a bit about Forex, algorithmic trading, passive income, and why FX matters. So first thing first, why do I use FX? So I use FX to generate some kind of like a yield to pay basically for my monthly expenses. So really the basic stuff, rent and everything. It's not something that will make me rich, but it's just something I use as a diversification tool and kind of like one of my biggest, I would say, passive income stream. So let's go in details about a bot I'm running, one of my bots. So basically, algorithmic trading is just like from a trading strategies you are doing manually, trying to automate it and just have it running while watching it and helping the bot trading the markets. So we are kind of like today on a kind of like a holy grail. So as you can see, we are on a real broker, like a real account on Vantage FX, kind of like a regulated broker where I don't think you can cheat. So of course, disclaimer, be super cautious with everything you see regarding Forex and FX, especially all these investment products. You want to check the broker to make sure that the broker is like not a scams or anything. On Vantage FX, I feel a bit safe, but it's not the best broker out there. So as you can see, this bot has made 0.5% a day in average and 60% per month with no drawdown. So it's kind of like a holy grail I'm showing here today. I'm really amazed by the results. It's better than in backtesting. And I'm going to go in a bit into details. So as you can see, that basically I had 100% win rate, a Sharpe ratio above 1.5. So it's kind of like all the red flags here, but I'm on a regulated broker on a real account, so you cannot really fake. But definitely if you see those kinds of like, I would say results, I would say super cautious. And you can see that I'm only trading Euro GPY. And I've made like 50% in average. So the idea here is like to tell you that passive income does exist, but definitely be super cautious. Feel free to reach me out on any investments proposal you get regarding FX or crypto, because there is so many scams, so many Ponzi schemes and everything. So I would be able to tell you based on like the broker, how the trading is doing. For example, here we can see that about the Sharpe ratio and everything, that it's kind of like a healthy strategies. But yeah, there is few things you want to double check. So the last thing I want to discuss about is why FX matters. The thing we see like in our club is like so many people trying to invest their money to generate a yield, to take some risk, to invest and everything, but they forget the importance about FX. Why FX matters? Definitely, you get some money in every month based on a currency, and though you have like some kind of like an FX change rate or FX change risk, I would say. So if you are paid like, let's say in pounds, if pounds goes down quite a lot, it's a shame. So you want to hedge yourself. And that's one of the most important thing we discuss in the club. It's really a basic but super important. It's like how do you diversify your FX and like your currency holdings and everything, how to benefit like seasonality moves between euro and dollars, stuff like that, to really try to maximize, I would say, your Forex exposure. And it's definitely the most important thing to do at first before investing and trying to take some risk and generate like a yield on the markets. So that's it for today. If you have like any ideas or videos about algorithmic trading, quantitative stuff, Forex, a bit about the strategy behind the bot, I think I would be able to share it with you, even though it's a money printer for now. It's crazy the results I have, way better than in backtesting. So that's also the thing with trading, is that sometimes the market is helping you a bit, but sometimes it can be way harder, trust me. So guys, that's it for today. Feel free to share the video, like, post a comments or anything, ask me anything in the comments regarding FX, investing, about our club too, and see you in another video.